Welcome to our Premier Inn Premier Plus room in West Quay, Southampton, which cost us £110 on a busy Friday in June. As you enter the room, you have a full-length mirror. Then there's a neat little area to do hair and makeup, with a hairdryer and an illuminating mirror. There's an ironing board, then there's a rack with spare pillows, a hanging area, tea and coffee making facilities, spare towels and a mini fridge. Then you have a flat screen TV, plenty of UK power sockets, and an area where we kept our luggage. There's a nice little freestanding light, then a table and chairs with a room service menu. It's a decent sized room and has air conditioning, which worked really well. The bed is big and comfy, with good linen and pillows. And we had a view of the multi-storey car park where we'd parked our car. Either side of the bed is a light, power socket and a small table. And I also had a wireless charging pad. You have a coffee machine, coffee pods, kettle and a selection of teas. There's an iron, and in the fridge there's complimentary water. The bathroom has a nightlight, which is handy if you're caught short and don't want to wake your other half. With the lights on, you have a big mirror and there's some nice hand wash. There's a big glazed walk-in shower. And there's some towels on the wall behind the door. There's rainfall and handheld shower heads, body wash and shampoo. And of course, a sink and a toilet. There's also an on-site restaurant and bar, but we dined out in town, and you can pay for an optional breakfast. The hotel is 2 minutes walk from the West Quay multi-storey car park, where we left our car, and it's 5 minutes cab ride or drive to Horizon Cruise Terminal, or you can walk it in 20 minutes. We were very happy with our room and would definitely stay here again.